This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by PDF Pen and PDF Pen Pro by Smile, the essential PDF utility. Download free demos and find out more at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices at NAB in Las Vegas. Folks, we always have to stop by the Insta360 booth. At CES, we talked to Max about what they were showing then. This time, we're going to talk to Eli about some of the products they've just announced that are very, very cool. Eli, it's good to see you.
It's great to see you, Chuck.
So what do we have here?
So this is our new camera. It's the Insta360 Evo. And it's a whole new product category for us. So this does both 360 and 180 3D. If you fold the camera open like this, where I've got the two lenses pointing in the same direction, then I get a stereoscopic video. So I can play that back on a headset. We also have this all-new technology where you can watch naked eye 3D straight from your phone. That's all about just giving people a really immersive way to capture memories. But if you want to capture every direction at once, which is what we do best, you can also fold this up and then shoot 360. So I'll show you how that works. I just pop that into place, and now I got two cameras back to back, and this is a 360 camera.
Okay, so we got to go through the geeky stuff. What kind of resolution are we getting out of this?
Sure, so this is 5.7K. 5.7K 360, that's 30 FPS, and this also is automatically stabilized. So if I want to run around, you could mount this on your dog as well. That's something else we've done with our cameras. It gives you an amazingly stable video straight off the camera.
You've mounted it on a dog?
We have been known to do that. We put them on drones, dogs, anything we can find.
Anything that moves, you'll...
Exactly, you're right. Kids as well. You can.
Oh yeah, that's an interesting
set
idea.
Your kids loose with these without worrying.
So what do I need to do to be seeing your stereoscopic 3D?
Okay, so that's something we thought a whole lot about with this camera. The most basic way, and the way that people have probably heard about before, is watching in a VR headset. This is integrated with the Oculus Go. It's also integrated with Vive Focus, which are the two most popular consumer VR headsets. You can connect directly to this camera wirelessly, and without even transferring the files, I can stream them straight off the camera. So I could shoot something right now, pop it on a headset, and then see that 180 3D VR in the most immersive way possible. But like I said, we wanted to make it even easier than that, and we wanted to make it something that's really easy to share and show your friends and family these cool 3D captures that you've got. So we developed a phone case that uses a special technology to create a stereoscopic image with your naked eye. So it's called a lenticular projection, but basically what we're doing is we're just splitting this 3D image into two separate images that are hitting either one of your eyes. We actually use an eye tracking technology to do this as well, and it means you can hold your phone and watch a 3D video or photo just like this with your naked eye. You can pass it around and show it to anybody. So that makes watching 3D content easier than it's ever been before.
I've seen some demos of lenticular things, and it's amazing what you get out of a flat screen.
It's awesome, and it's also, so it's a phone case, so it's just something you can throw on the back of your phone. You pop it off anytime you want. It's always with you, and then you can watch 3D.
Excellent. Okay, so price and availability for this.
This is available now, and the price is $429 USD. You can buy it on Insta360.com. The other big news we have at NAB this year is we have a new professional camera coming out, and it shoots 11K 3D. So once you get into 3D with this, if you're looking to up the quality and start getting into some professional film production, then that's about the best camera on the market right now for doing super high-end VR production.
And that's the Titan?
Yeah, exactly. That's the Insta360 Titan, and it has 8 separate cameras. So we've got 8 cameras in a halo, and it shoots 11K. The maximum resolution is 11K. With 3D, you can have 10K per eye 3D, which is amazingly sharp, and it's the most immersive experience you can get with a VR camera today.
And what I know you said it's not shipping yet, but when will that be available?
So that's going to be available next month. We're shipping next month. Pre-orders are already open. Our first batch is already booked up, but we'll be shipping more as more orders come in, and that's coming out next month. We're super excited.
And of course, there are plenty other Insta360 products out there. Anything that you want to particularly highlight? I think when we were here at CES, Max was, I keep referring to it as the Dart. The ability to throw your 360 camera.
Yeah, so you're talking about the 1X. That's our flagship 360 action camera. It's been our most successful camera ever. What that's all about is exploring the ways that 360 just improves the way we shoot film in general. You capture every direction at once, and then with our software, with our stabilization, with some cool tricks we can do where we can hide a selfie stick and make it invisible so it feels like your camera is flying, we really expand what you can do with a camera. And you can go into a 360 video, pull out your best shots in any direction, and then turn it into these really cinematic clips. And so that's what the 1X is all about. You can also do these things you mentioned. We have a Dart accessory, we call it the Drifter. You can throw it, and the reason that that's connected to 360 is because you can take a wild lob. I can throw it in the air. It doesn't matter where my camera's pointing because I'm capturing every direction at once, and then I can go back in and edit something really slick in that chaotic situation.
Yeah, it took me a little while to understand the concept, but once I understood it, it's like you can throw this where places you couldn't send a drone. It just didn't make sense. So yeah, it's wild, but the results are something that really need to go to the website and check out.
Absolutely, yeah. They should check out Insta360.com. Our Instagram has lots of samples, at Insta360, our YouTube channel as well. And I mean, like you said, that's really what the revolutionary thing about 360 is in totally uncontrolled situations where you don't know what's going to happen, you can't predict it. I'm at a parade and I don't know where the action is going to be. I'm on a motorcycle ride and I don't know if there's going to be something interesting that happens behind me. In any of these situations, you got all your bases covered, but then you can still go in and create a narrative, find the best parts in any direction, and put it together into a full film. So that's what the 1X is all about, and we've been amazed at the things that people have been doing with it.
Yeah, it takes a little while to, forgive the pun, but wrap your head around it. But once you do, it does increase the versatility of one particular shot so much.
Totally. I mean, and that's the thing. Any shot you take actually becomes an infinite number of possibilities. I shoot this event, I can tell that story over there, I can tell that story over there, or I can put them together.
And this, I have to tell you, this really intrigues me because that's like buying two cameras in one. So it's such an obvious thing, but nobody's done it.
100%. Yeah, it's something that we wanted people to have that. We wanted people to have that flexibility of, okay, at this event, I know that most of the action's over here. It's in one direction, and what I want to focus on is making it as immersive as possible. For that, I fold this open and shoot 180. But if there's another situation like I mentioned where, I don't want to think about where I'm shooting. I want to just enjoy this moment, but still have the assurance that I'm capturing everything, that I have the flexibility in post, then I fold it up. And like you said, you're getting a huge value in this camera because it's both of those formats, both of those ways to shoot in one package.
So the website is Insta360.com. Go learn all about it and get one for yourself.
Yeah, please, Insta360.com. This is available now. The Insta360 1X that we talked about is available now as well. And you can learn about a professional line as well. Titan's coming out next month.
Eli, thanks so much for the time.
Thank you so much.
Folks, we will have more from NAB in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page, and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you MacVoices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.